In a rain-soaked alley, a trembling terrier is spotted by a passerby who hears a faint whine for help. The rescuer cups the dog's body, speaks softly, and shields it from the cold as a makeshift leash from a jacket. At a nearby clinic, the vet runs quick tests, administers fluids, and notes neglect while the dog wags feebly. Overnight care includes warmth, gentle grooming, vaccines, and a plan to find a safe foster home. By dawn, the alley becomes a hopeful ally in a second chance, documenting progress and celebrating small steps.